Hello there. Do you have a broken phone? You do? Well, get ready to get your phone fixed and looking like a brand new. First, obviously, you're gonna need a broken phone. It doesn't matter how broken your phone is. You're also gonna need toothpaste. Again, it doesn't matter which kind, because we don't discriminate on this channel. Now, you're going to want to put the toothpaste specifically in the cracks that are on your phone. For me, I have like 4. So I'm just going to, put that all there. And yeah, now that you got that, you're going to want to put your phone underwater for about 3 seconds ish. Then you're going to clean off all the toothpaste. Then you're going to want to turn on your phone. It should actually turn on if you have a phone that didn't turn on before. This actually should like make the phone turn on. You're gonna check it out. Make sure you don't have any cracks on the phone. Like me, I don't see any cracks on my phone. So this technique does work. It works for all kinds of phones. Specifically, iPhone 666s. Very popular for that phone. But it also works for Nintendo 64s, GameCubes, and Switches. Yes, Samsung Switch. It's a new phone coming out. Actually, that's the one I have. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational. And remember.